StanStore versus System.io, which one is better? Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to review which between StanStore and System.io is better. First up, StanStore. It's designed for creators who want to sell digital products, courses, or memberships. StanStore is praised for its simplicity and ease of use. You can set up your store quickly with customizable templates, handle payments, and track sales with minimal hassle. Pricing for StanStore starts around $15 per month, making it a cost-effective option if you just need a straightforward selling platform. Now let's look at System.io. This is an all-in-one marketing platform that handles various business functions, including sales funnels, landing page, and email marketing, as well as affiliate programs. System.io offers more features but comes with a tiered pricing structure. The basic plan starts at about $27 per month, with higher tiers available for more advanced features. This makes it a great choice if you want an extensive toolset and can benefit from the integrated marketing and sales features. So, which one would you choose? If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to sell digital products, StanStore is a great option with its straightforward pricing. However, if you need a comprehensive tool that covers everything from sales funnels to email campaigns, and you're okay with a higher price point, System.io is likely the better fit. Think about what you need and what features matter most to you before making your decision. Thanks for watching. If this comparison was helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts or experiences with these platforms in the comments. See you next time. Bye!